exchange. Over-the-counter market offers currency options that are tailored to specific needs of the firm. So difference between exchange traded options and over-the-counter options is just that our options are more liquid and credit risk is low in when they are provided on exchange, and less liquid and credit risk is high in over-the-counter market options. All right, let's deep dive into the world of options. So number one option is currency call option. So options, there are two kinds of options, call option and put option. Remember, many students, they confuse, they say that, okay, one side is call and the other side is put option. No, these two are two different contracts. Okay, so that's why let's just understand first the call option. What is call option? Call option means it grants the right to buy. Right to buy. Call means right to buy. I have a right to buy. I want to exercise it or I don't want to exercise. Simple. So it means if I have a right to buy, if I exercise that right, the other party, the counterparty, will obligate it to sell me. So it means one side is right or choice, other side is obligation. All right. Whereas in future and forward, both parties have obligation on the both ends. Whereas in option, if here is obligation, the other side is right or choice or option. That's why its name is option. If here is right, if here is obligation, then here would be choice or right. All right, so that is a difference. And there are two kinds of options, call and put option. Call and put option. All right, let's explore call option. Call option grants the right to buy a specific currency at a designated price, which is called strike price or exercise price. Like in forward and future, there is a forward rate and future rate. Here we call this strike price, strike rate, or exercise rate. Okay. Of course, there would be a time T. So here we go. Yes, Ruji, you want to ask something?
Oh, no, sorry.
Okay. Call option. Call option means right to buy. So if I purchase call option, let me change the color here. Purchase call. I would be the purchaser of the call. Purchaser of the call means I have a right to buy a currency. This is point, this P. So the rate at which you negotiate the contract is called exercise price or strike price, denoted as X. Okay. So remember, if I said I have a right to buy, which means I purchase call. Purchase means I have a right to buy. I am buyer. I have a right to buy, and there's going to be a seller here. So seller has what? Obligation. So if buyer says, I want to exercise my right, and seller refuses, then seller will be liable. He would be sued. But can seller say that, okay, you must buy from me? Answer is no. Why? Because buyer has right to buy or not. Choice, option. So in this case, who is at disadvantage? Oliver, Sufyan. In this kind of transaction, who is at disadvantage? PD, Tiffany, Lugia,
The seller.
exactly, the seller. When seller is at disadvantage, because if things go wrong against seller's perspective, he cannot exercise the right. Then, though that person who purchased the call before the initiation of the contract, he would pay call premium, denoted by small c. So who will receive premium? Seller. That's why seller, obligated to honor the call of buyer. Now we are following the jargons of international finance in currency derivatives, especially currency options. So when buyer of the or purchaser of the call purchases the call option, he would pay call premium minus C because he pay, and seller receive plus C here. And then call option contract is bound. Okay, during the period here, at the expiration of the period, there are two kinds of call options, European and American. We'll see at the end of the chapter. A small note, that's it. So if the buyer feels that, okay, I'm going to be, winning this condition, so he has the right to exercise, he would say, the seller, I want to buy from you. Of course, he want to buy from the seller when the market price is up and from seller at down price. But in European option, you can only exchange at the time of expiration. You must let the time pass in order to honor the contract or lose the contract. But when purchaser of the call option decided to exercise, seller cannot run. Seller must honor it. So now you tell me, that person who purchased the call, he would receive the call option or pay the call option? Pay the call premium or receive the call premium? Guys, that person who purchased the call will receive premium or will pay premium?
Receive.
No, pay premium. Those who purchase the call because they want to purchase choice, and choice is not free. You have to pay for the choice, and choice for payment is call premium. So that person who is giving away his right of choice, he received the call premium. Okay, guys, you understand, or should I repeat one more time? Rugie, EGA, Lancelot, Oliver, Sufyan, Tiffany. Oliver, I couldn't hear you.
Understood.
Okay, good. One more point. Let me repeat it. So like in any other contract, there is a buyer and there is a seller. So this is call option. If I am the seller of the call option, what does it mean? I would be receiving the premium from buyer and buyer would be paying the premium. So my question is why I entered this agreement. The time period is 30 days. Because I bet after 30 days, if the strike price is $0.50 per Australian dollar, that is the exercise price, I bet that as a seller, the price will definitely go down. So buyer, because buyer has the option, buyer would think about that, okay, if I exercise my right, I have to buy from the seller at higher price. So I let the option expire. I will buy from the market. All right. And I am betting on the market that future rate will go down. So I will receive only, my profit is going to be only premium. I would receive some kind of premium. That's it in advance. Because I think in future, the price will go down. So I would, if the buyer exercise from me, of course, I would be selling him at higher price. He would be stupid enough to exercise the call option. Rather, he should buy, he should go to the market and buy at a lower price. If he's stupid enough, then he come to me and say, I want to buy from you. So I have double benefit. I already received the premium and I would be selling it at a higher price. If the buyer is rational, he would say that, no, I don't want to buy from you. I will buy from the market at that time at lower price. All right, guys. So this is the idea of call option. So let's explore this.